So I am back in Perth and I am flat out loading or getting organised to head away. I'm not loading. I'm going to put my Hilux up on the back, pilot car. We're going to head out of town and grab a header first thing tomorrow morning. But yeah, it's just getting ready to go, and I spotted some steer tyres with just through the outside layer of rubber. So and of course it's nearly knock-off time. Nobody wants to know, so it's lucky I've got a spare truck in the yard. So what I'll do is I will pull the whole wheels off this one. These are still good, and just swap them over. I'll put them on that truck. They're ready to go. Let's do it. Maybe I didn't explain it very good, but I've been away over east, done 10,000 k's in the space of 12 days, come back and a day off, and then I give the truck a bit of love. So threw some grease at it, check over, give it a wash, and I was nearly ready to head out when I spotted that steer tyre. And steer tyres are something you just don't muck with. Like the inside in the middle of that tyre had easy 50% tread left, but the outside's just gone through to the soft rubber, and I'm not mucking around with it. You know, I've got another 10,000 k's on this trip. So yeah, the truck, I took them off. That's my K200. That was what I was using before this. It's there for sale. If somebody wants to buy it, hit me up. And so the tyres on that are fairly new, but it hasn't got the Durable rims. But for the sake of this trip, I just swapped them over. While I'm out here, I'm still in WA, but I am eventually heading east. I will get somebody to go and throw some new tyres on those rims, and when I get back I'll swap them back onto here. Yeah, I'm just not taking the chance. I'm doing another 10,000 k's on them. If it was a drive tyre, probably push your luck a bit more, but steer tyres, I drove heavy tow trucks for a long time, and you know, a blown steer tyre isn't something you want. You know, it does a lot of damage. Even if you keep it on the road, if you don't go bush, you'll still lose half your bonnet, and yeah, it's not a good scene. So yeah, changed them out, put them on, and yeah, I'll get them done. But I'm out here still south of Perth. John, sorry, you've got a New Holland on now at 4.4 wide. I'm sure you're sick of